I love cookie dough, I don't love the carbs, so I took it to the kitchen, made it without eggs so you could eat it raw. I'm Dietitian Shelly, join me in the kitchen.
Grab a bowl, a hand mixer, and we're ready to go with our package of 8-ounce cream cheese. Couple things, y'all see this is great value. Y'all know that's Walmart. I'm bougie on a buy. If you're new to this channel, baby, my name is Dietitian Shelly. I make low-carb recipes to lower your blood sugars, but the most important thing is I don't like to break the bank. Y'all know I got a middle schooler and an elementary schooler. They get all my money. They get all my money, baby. So we using a hand mixer. We ain't got a fancy one, but if you do, beautiful. Go ahead and mix this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add in a cup of our heavy whip. Remember, a cup of heavy whip is about 6 grams of carbs total. This recipe has total a cup. So my goodness, you are not going to eat this whole thing. Well, you might, because I used to eat cookie dough like crazy when I was a kid. Now, of course, heavy whip, we do have to beat it, to mix it. Again, another 3 to 5 minutes. Y'all can see that I use my spatula to kind of push it down so that everything gets mixed in together. And now it's the magic with Swerve. Y'all know I love Swerve. 3 tablespoons of our granulated Swerve. I get my Swerve over at Drug Emporium. It's at a lot of your local supermarkets. I love it. It's a New Orleans product. It's non-GMO. It's erythritol. However, if you don't have Swerve at your market, of course, you can use monk fruit, stevia, allulose, whichever sweetener of choice is your favorite. You use it. You do. You boo. Now, 2 tablespoons of your Swerve brown sugar. Same thing here. There's a lot of brown sugar substitute varieties out there. Use what works the best for you, baby. I ain't gonna beat you in the head. None of my videos are sponsored. You think food companies want to work with me now, please? Because I kind of, well, you hear my voice. It's not the most user-friendly. Continue to mix this up. We're adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. I'm using my beaters, and we're really whipping it up like cookie dough. This is a great, yummy way to have cookie dough. Hey, no eggs. No eggs, y'all. No eggs. I love that. And our chocolate chips, I am adding the Lilies. Now, there's a couple of brands. I believe Choc Zero is another brand that you could just, crunch up and throw in there. Lily's is made with stevia and erythritol. And I do love dark chocolate. However, I feel like the dark chocolate chips Lily's makes are a little bitter. I enjoy them, but remember, for all your guests, I would go with milk to be safe. So if you're making this for a group, go with milk chocolate. If you're making this for just yourself, to eat while you're watching, I don't know, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, one of my favorite movies. Let me know in the comments if that's your favorite Christmas movie. You can do the dark chocolate bitter. And what do we serve this with? I mean, hello, because you see all these dips, like, serve with fruit. Well, yeah, I mean, we can have all the berries we want and stuff, but I love these fat snack cookies. They're awesome. They're gluten-free. They work. Have that on the table. I mean, gang, this is a beautiful, simple, easy recipe, crowd pleaser. If you were too busy laughing and not writing down the ingredients, not shame on you, baby. Just go into my description section. I got it written out for you. Download that 7-day low-carb menu so you can get on track. And I'm Dietitian Shelly. If you love this video, hey, I'm a dietitian. I make low-carb recipes. I'm trying to lower your blood sugar and help you lose weight. Subscribe. Much love, gang.